Excitement! Welcome back, everyone. We have another toy for baby K. Okay, it's actually not that exciting because she already had an LCD writing tablet, but she picked it up off of the table and slammed it on the floor. So its little erase button, it doesn't work anymore. And that's a little heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. It's all her fault. It's all her fault. Okay, it's a little bit my fault. A little bit, because I was not wise to leave it in so easy reach for her to just take it and slam it on the floor. But anyways, it's all good. We have a new one and we'll see how she responds to it. It won't be so much of a let's see how she responds to a new device or toy because she already knows, she's familiar with what this is for. But I mean, it's kind of cool because it does have more colors compared to the old one. Like this one just did like a fade from blue to like yellow kind of. But this one, it seems that it just has more happening. I don't really know. We'll see. We'll see. So let's see how baby K takes to her new writing tablet or writing board. It says LCD writing panel. So let's see how she takes to it. Not that hard either. Not for your mouth. It's not for your mouth. Yeah, not for your mouth. Yes, not for your mouth. It's not for my leg either. Yes, not for your mouth. For me either. Very good. Wow. Not for your mouth. It's not for your mouth. Wow. Yes. Well, no, actually it goes the other way. It goes this way. No! Very good. You just like to put the pen in your mouth. I think you think that the pen is like the paintbrush, huh? So if it's wet, then it produces writing. But that's not how this works.